Alright, so we got a 2000 Avalon here, and for about the past few weeks it's been sputtering and stuttering. Acceleration drastically decreased. I was reading online and it told me the mass airflow sensor could be the culprit. So as you can see, that's brand new. I didn't get the screws in there yet, but even when I had the screws in there, it still is running like this. As you can see, it's jolting. It's like it's running either off not enough fuel or enough spark, which I did not really diagnose. I didn't pull out the coil or anything. But every time I touch this one, it seems to shut off in this mode. I might have to clear coils, but this is the battery. It looks pretty corroded. I bought this car like maybe about a month or so ago, and this just started developing. Otherwise we were driving it a lot, and it bogs really bad. I don't know if you guys hear that. It's like no throttle response whatsoever. And I just replaced the cam position sensor right there. So right there, where that screw is, that's the sensor right there. I guess I could check with a screwdriver, see if it's getting spark, which is obviously it is, but it seems to me this is more than a coil problem. It seems to be intimate. I don't know where, but I don't know. For the meantime, I'm driving an F-150. Try to figure this out. But yeah, this was my daily driver. You know, it's been sitting on the side in front of my apartment building here. As you can see, the RPMs are very low. And that's not me shaking, that is literally the car shaking. It's running like that right now. Huh. There's no cold right now. That's the weird part. Huh. Usually it's a cold illuminated, and I just started it this morning and it was there. It's gone now. You try to gas it, you hear, like, I smell unburnt fuel right now. Yeah, I'm smelling a lot of unburned fuel right now. Well, anyway, if you could let me know what your opinions and thoughts. I'm guessing it's a fuel problem, but then I ruled that out because maybe it's the pressure of the fuel itself isn't there. But yeah, it's staying running, but it's running as if the timing or something's wrong. I just don't know what it is. And then it will not go anywhere because it's like a weak power, weak spark, something. I hope someone could kind of help me diagnose this problem here. I can't really bring it anywhere to get a scanner, so I might have to end up buying one myself. I actually kind of hear something like I don't know what that is. It sounds like something's leaking. Sound like it wants to stall out a little bit. Yeah. I don't know what will be causing it to run like this. Maybe it's a weak fuel pressure. I mean, fuel pump or the fuel filter. I don't know. It's really hard to diagnose these kind of conditions. And sometimes they'll start like this on the first start. Sometimes it won't start at all. Either way, I can't move it really on its own. If any of you gearheads know what's going on here, ever seen anything similar to where it's running like very limp, almost as if there's no fuel. I mean, it's getting fuel. All right, there it goes. It just cut off. Just stalled on me. So yeah, leave any comments. What you guys think? Because I am pretty stumped about this point.